what's up? My name's Amanda, but you can call me Mandy, and this is Mandy's wardrobe. These are always so awkward. It's so hard to film. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm doing another room tour. This channel is like 30% room tours, so I should just rename my channel to Mandy's Room Tour at this point because it's getting a little bit out of hand, let's be honest. So the first room tour I did was my first room when I moved into Sweden. My second room tour was when I moved room. Literally, I was in the same apartment. I just moved room, and now I've actually moved city completely. I am no longer in the city where I was studying. I'm employed. She graduated. By the time you see this, I've lived here for 3 weeks, and I'm getting this out to you in 3 weeks. Usually it takes me 9 months or 2 years, and I'm finally getting this out. I'm so proud of myself. I like filming these room channels. I like filming these room tours because I like to watch them, and also because I've done this the third time now, I'm hoping that I can make it a bit different and try new editing styles and things like that, because that's what I enjoy doing. That's why I like doing this, because I get to be creative however I want to be creative. Let's see how this goes. This could be a disaster, but that's all right. We're gonna try it anyway and see what happens. Here's my room tour, y'all. Yeah, smash that. Moving into this room, it already had a layout. The bed was in a place, the desk was in a place. Everything was organized, and I was super happy with it. For the first few days I was like, yeah, this is it. And then I don't know what happened. I decided that I just wanted to change everything. I watched one video on feng shui because I wanted to make sure that I wasn't going to mess with the feng shui. I don't know what the bad juju is that you get from bad feng shui, but I feel fine, so that's pretty good. This is the final layout that I've decided on. I'm super happy with it. My favorite part is that when you open the door, it's kind of like, okay, this is the bedroom, and then you turn a little bit to the right and it's like, oh, and that's where she worked. Right next to the door I have this table. This table I've had with me since I basically moved to Sweden. It was one of the first things I bought. I spray painted it silver myself, and I put on the marble. The box is for all my hair stuff. I also kept this decoration from my old room. It is spray painted silver once again. It was black, and I was like, not today, sis. For in my old room, I had this magazine holder. The magazines would bend, and I did not like that. So I decided I just didn't need it, and now I just have them on the floor. I got this cute little macrame basket from IKEA. It was like 10 crowns, and I thought this is perfect. I don't know, it just kind of makes it a bit more earthy, and I love bringing in nature, even if it's fake. This mirror was already here. This was the only thing that I didn't move. I'm still not sure how I feel about it being directly across from my bed, so when I wake up it's like, oh, that's my face. Not really the first thing that I want to see in the morning. Next to that I have my dresser. I have my t-shirts and my pants, things that I reach for first. And then in the bottom drawer, this is my junk drawer. I'm gonna be honest. I say junk drawer, but also some of my most prized possessions in here, like my High School Musical collection. Where would I be without that? On top of the dresser, I just picked out some coffee table books. I have my jewelry holder. I have a perfume that I basically never use, but it looks pretty, so I keep it out on display. Moving over to the blinds. So this fabric just screams fashion to me. I don't know what it is, but this, I'm just like, oh, fashion. About the window, I am deathly terrified to open it. I open it until a bug flies in, and then I'm like, that's enough window for today. So when you first walk into the room, the first thing you see is the bed. I've had gray sheets for a long time now. The last 3 years I've been living here, I just had like a 90cm bed. When I moved in here, they already had this humongous bed, and by humongous, it's only 30cm bigger, so I had to buy new sheets anyway. And then this bedside table was already included when I moved in. Last summer, I definitely predicted that this color was going to come in. Unfortunately, I don't have any proof. I wish I had proof, because I literally said, I was like, oh, yo, this purple color, yo, it's gonna be the next big thing, yo, just like, yo. I really wanted to have a white flower vase. If you know me even a little bit, I love flowers. So I got this beautiful vase from IKEA. This lamp is the best thing that's ever happened to me. Moving on, still inside this room, I have my desk. This desk, I basically just have all of my knickknacks, you know, normal things that you have in a desk. And then I have this chair. Honestly, in my old place, I never sat in the chair unless I was thinking like, wow, I never sit in this chair. Behind the chair, I have my guitar, which I play seldomly, but when I do play. One thing I was really excited about moving into this apartment was the walk-in wardrobe. Oh my god, that was horrible. So when you first walk in to the right, you see that there are like 2 shelves, and then these like cubby things. I have my filming equipment that I obviously use all the time. I have my bags, my accessories, things like that, and then I have my shoes and more like workout wear. So then we have, to the left, you have these like 2 rods, these 2 poles where I can like hang things up, where I do hang things up. You can't see what's on the other side, so it's perfect. It's like Someone put like an invisible cloak of clothes in front of all of my junk. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's my room. This is so exciting. Thank you so much for watching. It's your girl Amanda, and I will see you when I see you. Yeah, damn, I think I smashed that. Yeah, smashed it.